Greetings from Hudson, Ohio, USA. I am Nick Verderico, Business Development Manager for Robin Hood Flour in the Bahamas. In this season of gratitude, I want to express my deep appreciation for having welcomed me into the finals a few weeks ago in Nassau. Now in its 30th year, Young Chef has furthered its mission of supporting family and consumer science education and has positively impacted the lives of so many talented young Bahamians. I applaud all who are involved in putting on this great event, and I look forward to seeing its contributions for years to come. To all the student participants, I congratulate you on your talent, passion, creativity, and commitment. We are all immensely proud of your accomplishments, and we know that you are only just getting started. On behalf of all of us from the J.M. Smucker Company, best wishes and bake on.